Uh-oh. We got the back anchor out.
Oh, I'll get it. You got it?
No, he's coming up on the side of the boat. You're gonna have to get it.
Okay.
Oh, Donna, this guy's about to.
All right.
Dancing like a fucking. Look, look, look. Donna, get him. You got him? You got him?
Yeah.
Did you see that dance shot?
Yeah.
If I had some anchor rope out here like my sister, this is only 30-pound test. Yeah, we can see the silhouette down in the water. Pull, pull, pull. Tug pull. Gotta hurry up.
Damn. How big do you think he is?
Oh, he's fucking pushing 6 feet. Well, hold on, let me see. This guy might be pushing 66 right here. Look down here.
Oh, damn. Oh my God.
You can hear that. Record the fish. Keep it so you can hear that. He stirred up hella mud out there. He's gonna jump. Is he gonna jump for us?
Damn.
Oh, he's coming in. Oh, he's coming in. Uh-oh, I might be having to run up on the front of the boat down and tip goes. Oh, maybe he's going back out. Never mind. Oh, you got him?
Oh, nice one. Holy shit.
Oh, turn around. If he decides to dart, he's going under the anchor rope right here.
He's a keeper. Oh, he's a beauty. Oh my God, dude. Sweet!
His tail's in the mud. He just stirred up the mud right there. Got a good hook on him.
Me and my beep beep! Yeah! Whoop!
Look at him.
Dang! Yep!
What's up, babe?
Sturgon!
Sturgon on.
Sturgy-dony!
This is number 3 in about an hour and 42 minutes, 2 hours.
Go beeper!
You want to see how Beep would do it by himself?
I got the snaresel.
You want to see how Beep would snare him by himself?
Yeah.
Hand me.
Well, here, come get it. I'm just kidding.
This is the one-man jobber. This is the one-man blow jobber. Oh God! I might have lost this motherfucker.
I got the pole. I got the pole.
Damn, but I didn't get it behind his fins. I got him so fucking...
Oh, Jesus. I see that. This might be a...
This is going to be a little challenge. Let's see. I got him so fucking tight. I got him so tight by the fucking mouth.
You gonna break your line? Oh, that's...
Oh, there he goes.
I got him. Oh, your hook is all fucking stuck on the,
I don't care if it wasn't really, Dinah.
I know, I'm just saying it.
I could do the fucking...
Just fix it, you got time. He's still got a hook in his mouth.
Oh, fuck this fuckers. Oh, fuck.
Let me hold the line where the fish is at. Byron. Watch your finger hook.
I know. fucking caught up in here.
Fuck, he's in the mud, and heck, he's in the mud.
Oh shit, my fucking shit's all fucking. You know what?
You got time, dude. You got time.
He's
He's just like sitting there.
We're gonna do that. No, if he takes off.
You're gonna get.
If he takes off, this is not gonna fucking go nowhere. So, I can't pull this and hold this. Don't pull it. Pull this. Put your finger right there. Hold that.
Okay.
I knew that wasn't good when I had him right there. All right, there's some. You pulling it still?
There you go.
All right, we're gonna have to try this bee again.
Okay, here. Let's see. Let's do it the right way.
Oh shit, he's fucking.
Oh, boy. It's okay.
He rolled in this motherfucker. Oh shit, I gotta do a flipper. I did a flapper on him. That was fucking. Wait a minute.
Let's see if Byron can get this right. Let's see. Does he got it this time? I'm kind of thinking he's got it this time. Jeez, Byron, you're a circus. You're a freaking circus waiting to happen.
Fuck, sperm bug.
Yeah?
Fuck. Alright.
Oh, dang.
Damn.
Oh, my God.
We're gonna need that,
Another sturge.
we're gonna need that anchor hook, dude.
Okay, am I done there?
Yep. Peace out.
Peace out. Love you long time.